Daily use English sentences. 1. यह कितना बदबूदार है. How stinky it is. How stinky it is. 2. जीवन बहुत अनमोल है. Life is so precious. Life is so precious. 3. मेरा सिर मत खाओ. Don't nag me. Don't nag me. 4. मेरी नींद टूट गई. My sleep was disturbed. My sleep was disturbed. 5. मुझे तुम्हारी दया नहीं चाहिए. I don't want your pity. I don't want your pity. 6. मैंने आपको उल्लू बनाया. I tricked you. I tricked you. 7. सच हमेशा कड़वा होता है. The truth is always bitter. The truth is always bitter. 8. दाल में कुछ काला है. Something is fishy. Something is fishy. 9. उसने खुद पर पानी डाल दिया. She spilled water on herself. She spilled water on herself. 10. कोट के बटन बंद करो. Button up the coat. Button up the coat. 11. कपड़े धोकर सुखाने को डाल दो. Do the laundry and hang it out to dry. Do the laundry and hang it out to dry. 12. क्या जरूरत थी बोलने की. What was the need to speak? What was the need to speak? 13. जल्दबाजी मत करो. Don't be hasty. Don't be hasty. 14. तुमने सब गड़बड़ कर दी. You messed everything up. You messed everything up. 15. लोग हमारे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे. What will people think about of us? What will people think about of us? 16. सीधे होकर बैठो. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. 17. मेरा खाना खाने का मन नहीं कर रहा है. I don't feel like eating. I don't feel like eating. 18. कोई जरूरत नहीं है. There's no need. There's no need. 19. अभी मत जाओ. Don't go now. Don't go now. 20. तुम वहां क्यों गए. Why did you go there? Why did you go there? Thanks for watching the video till the last. For more such videos, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon.